Wait, no! Don't eat that! It might have GMOs in it.
What are GMOs?
Well, a GMO is when you take the DNA or genes from one plant, bacteria, or animal, and you basically just inject it into another animal, plant, or bacteria. Let's just focus on the plant for now. Humans have been eating plants for a very long time, and starting around the 1980s, GMOs were created. So what plants are GMOs? Sugar beets, summer squash, cotton, corn, papaya, alfalfa, soybeans, and canola oil. 80% of the food in the U.S. has GMOs in it.
If GMOs are bad for me, are they also bad for the environment?
That's a really good question. Since GMOs were introduced, the use of toxic herbicides has increased by 15 times. GMOs are also responsible for superweeds and superbugs. These superweeds and superbugs can only get killed by more chemicals. The worst part of all that is that the long-term effects of GMOs is completely unknown.
Ooh, I'm hungry. Let's go to the fridge. I don't see any GMO label on here. Are GMOs even labeled?
Sadly, GMOs are not labeled, even though surveys constantly suggest that people want GMOs labeled. The worst part about this is you have no idea what's in your food. The Non-GMO Project, however, is a way for people to label their foods and show that it does not have GMOs in it.
If that's bad for you, why don't you just get rid of it?
Okay. Let's just go get some yogurt.
Okay. Oh, this has GMOs in it.
What about this one? This one says organic. What does that mean?
Welcome to the food fight. Here we have non-GMO foods versus GMO foods versus organic foods. I hope this helps you understand the difference between them all. Round 1. Organic foods prohibit the use of chemical and synthetic fertilizers, unlike non-GMO and GMO foods. Round 2. Organic foods prohibit antibiotic and synthetic hormone use. Round 3. Organic foods and non-GMO foods prohibit GMOs in all aspects of farming and processing. Lightning round! GMO foods are terrible for you and have horrific long-term effects. Final round. Organic foods and non-GMO foods are both trustworthy methods of avoiding GMOs. As you can obviously see, we have two winners, non-GMO and organic foods. Woo!
Ooh, yum. I'm gonna eat this.
Ooh, I want one too.
No GMOs! No GMOs! No GMOs! No GMOs! No GMOs! Wait, I don't want any GMOs. I don't want to eat this anymore.
Where in the world is the organic aisle? Seriously! Finally, I found it! So many different organic foods. I want all of them.
Hey, wait.
Yeah?
You see that sour licorice in your cart? Take a look at that sour licorice. The thing itself isn't organic. It's only made with organic sugar, meaning that it still has GMOs in it if you read the back.
This is an imposter.
So next time you put stuff in your cart, make sure you know the ingredients and the labels.
This is good. The rest of them are good. I'll take them all. Yummy, and it's gluten-free.
That's a bad mistake many people make. Gluten-free does not mean organic or non-GMO. It just means there's no gluten. Sorry to tell you, but there's GMOs in that. However, there are some gluten-free things that are also non-GMO. You can take those if you want the best of both worlds.
Hey, I saw you and the other girl petitioning in the cafeteria, and I started eating organic, and these wheat thins here, these were the last package, so I got enough.
Hey girls, what are you doing?
Getting organic foods.
Oh, neat.
GMOs are genetically modified organisms. So why can't they be labeled? Monsanto says that GMOs are perfectly healthy. So shouldn't Monsanto be proud to label GMOs? Instead of them paying millions of dollars a year so GMOs won't be labeled.
This is so cool. Yeah, I know.
I hear that not only do you eat all non-GMO foods, but you also eat organic. What is that like?
Well, you see, eating organic and non-GMO is kind of tough because all of the foods are more expensive. And so you have to just think about what you want before you get it. And you can't always have the types of food that everyone else eats. Like my friend eating Cheetos over there, I can't have any. So it's kind of tough, but I don't regret anything.
Why is this topic important to you and for others to learn more about?
Well, honestly, this topic is important to me because it's like what I do, it's what I eat, and what you eat is a big part of your life. So this huge part of my life that makes me feel healthier, feel better, and just all around healthier as a person. I want to share a way for people to stop eating GMOs in a way to get this poison out of their body so they're not a science experiment. They don't deserve this. And we made this video so they can learn all about them and just know a little bit about it so they can do more research and make their own choice.
GMOs? Dangerous long-term effects? Harmful? Monsanto? In our food supply? GMOs?
I want to eat organic. Say no to GMOs.
Yay! No GMOs!